Today we there with.
Yeah, man. One GS Skull. One GS Skull, man.
Alright, Mr. GS Cole, you believe that Massacre is the GOAT?
Oh, Massacre for be the goat. When a cartel are the goat. Remember, a cartel come take with Afro style, you know. Cartel make dancehall right now. Cause watch you now, you hear Boogla chat all a bag of thing. Boogla not even artist. What's what me I say? A cartel are the man. Cartel, a dancehall. When we say cartel, a Gaza. One Gaza, man. One Gaza make you think shine, man. And when you don't know a thing, go Gaza, man. A one Gaza, man. Without Gaza dancer, there is no dancer. You have Afrobeat around Jamaica. Afrobeat can't run Jamaica. A dancer run Jamaica. You get me I say? Yeah, man. So as me say, a Gaza and a one Gaza nation, man. You know what thing come down, a one Gaza nation, man.
Anybody you like to big up?
Well, I tell you, say, big up the whole of not to be a crossroad, wrong turn. You know, no boy can't make no flank turn. We dash that like a bang learn. You don't know, yeah.
Alright, thank you for your time.